Hey, it's Kristen Thompson with Speak, Serve, Grow, and I keep getting asked about live events and workshops. Can I host one, Kristen, and make it profitable even if I'm not sure I can get butts and seats? Why, I do believe you can, my friend. I have done it, and I've also learned the ins and outs of what do and don't work. Here's me back in 2000 something with blonde hair in a pretty small room here in Portland, and I was making some money, but there were a few lessons I was yet to learn. And I like to call that first phase the one-legged stool or the hamster wheel, where I was just selling seats to workshops, and then I'd have to start from zero again. There was no residual income. Not good, baby. But then I kind of sorted some things out. We were able to really learn some very important lessons that I want to share with you that'll make workshops and live events work for you. When I made this shift, my workshops went from generating $3,000 or maybe $8,000, $15,000, all the way up to multiple six figures. Number one, yes, you can fill a room, even if you don't have a big email list and you don't have a big famous name. And you can also make a lot of money in small rooms too. Number two, I, and probably you too, could easily map out rockin' content that's gonna serve the room and create a wave of sales at the same time. Three, yes, you can make a month or even a full year's worth of income in one workshop or live event. So I have put together a live training. It's coming to you live this week. Be sure to click the button down below and join me so I can go through those three big questions and really answer them for you. And for those of you who show up live, I'm even going to give you my workshop schedule, basically the same template I use for myself or my consulting clients who have me work on their event strategy for them. I'm going to show it to you so you can use it too. Can't wait to see you live. Make sure you click through so that we can send you the login details today. All right, keep on rocking, and I'll see you soon.